हेलो, आज हम आए हैं एनजिग्मा सॉफ्टवेयर पुणे में। एनजिग्मा सॉफ्टवेयर में 3 साल पहले जीरोडोर वाटरलेस यूरिनल इंस्टॉल किए गए थे। तो आज हम उनके फाउंडर और उनकी टीम से जानते हैं कि कैसा रहा उनका एक्सपीरियंस और कैसे वो लोग सेव कर रहे हैं मिलियंस ऑफ लीटर ऑफ वाटर एवरी ईयर। सो लेट्स हियर देम आउट।
I'm Himanshu Shah, CEO and founder of Enzigma Software Private Limited. We are an IT company. We are based out of Pune, and we own this beautiful platinum green building. So, as a human being, it's my responsibility to give back to the society, and there's many ways to give back to the society. And one of the things I always had in mind is like how to have a sustainable building or sustainable lifestyle, for that matter. So in my old building, I tried this many years ago. Did not work out that well. But then this new building, when we were building, we said we need to cut down the water greatly. So I had looked at various waterless urinal when flying out of India. They were working. So I thought, why not to get something over here in India? So when I started researching, so there were options available, but they were too expensive. Not only they were expensive, there was a yearly cost associated. So this side of building, it would have costed me like 3.5 lakh rupees every year. Okay, so that's why I researched a little bit more, and then I came across this Zerodor Ekam product, which was built by IITians. So I trusted that definitely. So to try it out, first I bought like one device in my older building. We used it for a year while this building was being constructed, and we were happy with the result. And then we put all the new urinals with the Ekam Zero. It's been now 3 years we've been using it, and there's zero complaint. So we are very happy, very glad that I made that decision. And there was a full support from the Zerodor Ekam team to select the urinal which fits the device, how to clean it, how to make sure it works for your lifetime. So it was a great experience, and thank you so much for being in India and making this very economical solution who wants to help the ecology and the environment. Thank you so much.